Are you concerned about the security of your Moonton account? Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'm going to show you simple steps on how to change Moonton password. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on your profile in the top left corner of your screen. Then from the options on the left side, tap on Account. There you can see Account Center on the right side. Tap on it. Now keep on tapping on Change Moonton Password until it starts to load. Now tap on the Set Code button to receive a verification code on your email address which is connected to your Moonton account. Check your email and copy the code that has been sent to you. Then paste the verification code. After you have entered the verification code, tap on Confirm button. Now create a new password. Your new password must contain 6 or more characters with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and no special symbols. Now again enter your new password to confirm it. Then tap on Confirm button. Now your Moonton password has been reset, and that's how you can change your Moonton password. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.